Welcome to SSG Embedded Solutions 8051 Microcontroller Tutorial Series. Let's learn embedded systems step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome to our 8051 Microcontroller tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to interface an LCD with a Matrix Keypad using the 8051 microcontroller. Let's get started. We will use the 8051 microcontroller development kit based on the Nuvoton W78E052 DDG microcontroller. For this setup, we will need a TTL to USB converter and female-to-female jumper wires. Now, connect the TTL to USB converter to the 8051 kit and your laptop. Control pins RS, RW, EN to P3.5, P3.6, P3.7 and data pins to port 2. Connect keypad rows R1, R4 to P1.0, P1.3 and columns C1, C4 to P1.4, P1.7. Also connect the LCD backlight to P0.0. Now open the Keil software, open your project file, write the code, and build the project to generate the hex file. Next, we will burn the hex file using the Nuvoton ISP/ICP software. Open the ISP tool, select the correct COM port, and choose the part number W78E052D. Then click on Load File and select your hex file from the folder. After that, click on Update to upload the code. Finally, press the Reset button on the kit, and your hex file is successfully uploaded. When a key is pressed on the Matrix keypad, the value is detected and displayed on the LCD screen. Thank you for watching this 8051 microcontroller tutorial. I hope you understood the steps clearly. If you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session.